That's why you see that in a family, a man can die now and reincarnate as his grandchild. A man can die and also reincarnate into 3 or 2 of his grandchildren. Now, the ability to reincarnate into more than one of someone in your family or your lineage simply means that you did good in your past life. You attain a particular spiritual level. You understand? Your awakening as a person, your purpose in life was achieved. If the more you achieve your purpose, the more you keep to the tenets of holiness and spirituality, your next life you can reincarnate into more than one person. These are things we will still have to go into. I wouldn't have to call people who are more knowledgeable on this to come in and talk about reincarnation in Igbo cosmology. Now, these are just the basis of what we believe in reincarnation in Owa. We do not believe in heaven.